ASC Craft Supplies design team project. I will leave a link to the store in the description box below, as well as my coupon code, which is Michelle10, and any order of $75 or more you receive free shipping. And what I have created today is a memory decks truck, and I followed a tutorial by Jenn, and I will leave a link to her video in the description box below. This is for a swap in the Loaded Envelope Galore and More Facebook group, and I used the Prima Pumpkin and Spice paper collection. And we were to make the truck memory decks and create 4 pumpkin embellishments. So I'll just go ahead and take the pumpkin embellishments out, put the truck to the side. And I just love the papers that are in this collection. They are so pretty. And I love that they have the teal with it. And so these are my little pumpkins, and I just cut out some leaves with the Cricut. And I do believe the pumpkins, I can't remember if it was a silhouette or Cricut foul, and I used some little flowers that I had in my stash. And then I loved how Jenn curled some wire, so I copied her pretty much to a T. I loved how hers looked. She is one of my favorite crafters to follow her, so make sure to follow her. And then this is just some ribbon in my stash, some more leaves, and I did ink the edges and the little pumpkin stem, and then I did put a pop dot on the back of each pumpkin so the recipient could use it as an embellishment. And I just love this buffalo check pattern, and I used the little teal flower and a little bow from Hobby Lobby and some more of the little curled wire. I just love how those came out, and I love how my truck came out. I did put some of my shreds coming out, and I did make mine a shaker. So for the window, I did put some little shaker bits in there, and I did use a pastel mix just because I felt like it matched better. And I just used some brown paper from my stash and some of the rose gold paper from Michael's, and this really pretty like peachy pink plaid from the paper pad, as well as this leaf pattern. And this orange is the same as I used here on the pumpkin. I used my Cricut to write the happy and fall, and I inked the edges, but love how it came out, and it has a nice little bed of the truck to put goodies in. So I love how she came up with this idea. I think it is so cute, and of course it's pretty thick where I made the shaker, and that's what the back looks like. I'm going to add my information there. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out ASC Craft Supplies, and remember to use my coupon code Michelle10, and I'll leave a link to Jenn's channel. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.